Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in a new Alight motion project, so create the composition with your target resolution and frame rate. Add a text layer and type your copy. Pick a readable font and base color because this becomes the reference for inversion. Once done, duplicate that text layer and position it directly above the original. Make sure to change the duplicate's blend mode to difference. This is the core trick that flips colors visually. Keep layers aligned so the inversion matches perfectly. Now refine the inverted look by balancing opacity and blend strength on the difference layer. Lower or raise opacity to tune contrast between inverted and original text. If colors need shifting, apply color adjust or hue/saturation to the base text so the difference produces the exact inverted hue you want. You can also add a solid color background beneath both layers to change the overall inversion outcome. Make sure to preview at 100% zoom so small shifts remain accurate. Finish by exporting a short test clip and review it on different screens to confirm the inverted text reads correctly. If you notice jagged edges or jitter, enable subpixel rendering, rasterize the text layer, or increase render quality. These steps stabilize edges. For unexpected color shifts, try switching the project bit depth or tweak the background color. Difference reacts to scene colors. If nothing fixes it, revert adjustments one at a time until you isolate the change that breaks the inversion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.